So here I am, Buffalo, New York, about 5 miles northeast of Lake Erie, at a joint that was once a diner, and then changed into a Chinese restaurant, well, then transplanted from Pennsylvania, and then turned back into a diner. And guess what? That's not even the amazing part. These guys they're curing their own ham, they're corning their own beef, and they're smoking their own bacon. This is Lake Effect Diner.
Pulled pork, the real deal. Red-eye gravy going down.
Kind of unique in Buffalo.
Barbecue meatloaf, an upscale version of the old classic.
Blueberry pancakes.
You can really taste the difference.
Are there a lot of diners in Buffalo?
Not too many.
Not like this.
A 50s legacy
2 sunshines in a glass.
that Tucker Curtin
Italian sausage.
and his wife Erin brought back to life.
Table 24.
We went looking for the diner car, and we were able to resurrect it and put it back into service again.
Now this joint is smoking for real.
Ready to rock and roll.
Everything from turkey to bacon
Oh, it's so good.
to ham. So a boneless pork leg, and you're gonna make your own.
We're gonna make our own ham.
I don't think on Triple D yet we've seen anybody make a ham.
This is old school curing. We'll start with our brine, okay? About a gallon of water, some dried cloves here, black peppercorns,
Dry mustard.
lots of dried mustard, light brown sugar, made right here in Buffalo, New York, maple syrup,
Yeah, boy.
sodium nitrate here,
Offers nice color.
and then kosher salt.
Okay, bring that to a little simmer.
Yes, we're gonna get that into a rumbling boil. And then we'll cut our ham in half for the cooled brine on top, and that's a 12, 14-day process.
And then it'll go to the smoker.
For about 3 hours. We'll also slow smoke the bones that we'll use in the stock for our red-eye gravy. Smoke those over mesquite charcoal, and we also burn apple and hickory woods.
Wow.
Sugars are starting to caramelize up on them.
Look at this. Just take a little looky-loo at that.
Isn't that beautiful? It's got that real maple.
Don't talk in the middle of it, just. And this is all for a breakfast item on a menu.
Correct.
A breakfast item,
One item.
one item. So now we take them, pop them in the oven, bring them up to about 145, finish the cooking process, take them out.
We got our bones. They're all smoked off. Got the fat nicely out of them. And now I'm gonna dump the pan juices in there.
Little mirepoix.
Carrot, celery, and onion.
Dig it.
Black peppercorn.
We are going to be straining this.
Yes, we are. Some kosher salt. Frank's hot sauce.
Wow.
This is the secret to good wings. It's also the secret to good red-eye gravy. Brindle of fresh thyme. Add some coffee to it.
Now, how long will this sit there and simmer?
For about 3 hours.
Strain it, and then be ready to serve with the ham.
Correct. Got our ham right here.
Slice them up.
Get that going on the flat top with eggs and home fries.
Egg, baby.
A little bit of our red-eye gravy here. Let me get these eggs, some of our home fries, and our ham on there, too. A little more red-eye gravy.
And I hope you're going to say that. This is very flavorful, tender ham for sure. I like a side of ham with some ham. Being raised eating red-eye gravy, I've seen a lot of different variations. I do think that I would like to have a cup of red-eye gravy to chug. Awesome, bub. Nice
Order
job.
up. Ham red-eye gravy.
Very good. Very moist.
Everything is really fresh, really homemade.
95% of the things that you guys serve, you make
Absolutely.
from scratch.
Absolutely. Order up. Our customers deserve the best. If we have the ability to provide that quality food, it's our job to do it.
Favorites like stuffed potato pancakes, homemade sausage, oh, and this one.
Fresh haddock, going Italian style.
You a big haddock fan?
I am. This is exactly the way I like it. The top of it has like a bruschetta.
So what are we making now?
We're gonna make some balsamic vinaigrette, which we're gonna add to our bruschetta. Then we use that on our Italian fish.
All right, let's get started. What do we got?
We're gonna take some fresh thyme, put that in there, rosemary, a little Dijon mustard, balsamic vinegar. I'm gonna dump the rest of that balsamic vinegar in there. Slowly drizzle in our olive oil, vegetable oil.
Because you can cut it. It doesn't have
Yeah,
to be.
you don't want too much olive. It's too pungent. A little pepper, a little kosher salt.
It's like making an Italian milkshake for a salad. Well, look at how much that tightened up. And that was just a little bit of mustard that did that.
Pretty tasty.
I'll take that any day.
All right. We'll set that aside, and then
Okay.
we'll start doing some bruschetta, all right?
Take it.
We're gonna use the Tomato King on the tomatoes, core these out.
Well, you just do that. I don't want to stick it in and make it
You
go.
want to stick it? Here, put 2 of them. Now go slow with it, nice and steady. You don't want to just push it through too quickly because you'll end up with French fries. It's nice, huh?
Look what I made.
You did a nice job. You might be able to find some work
You know
for
what?
yourself. We'll take some fresh basil, some onion, chopped garlic, a little balsamic, a little salt and pepper to taste.
Have all their albums. So that's going to be the topping on top of the Italian haddock.
Yes.
And where are we going to go now?
We're gonna start this off with a little garlic butter. Sear a piece of fish on the flat top. We're gonna do some griddle mac and cheese here. I have some steamed broccoli. Then I take some fresh lemons and squeeze them on top. Now our fish here. There we are.
That looks nice.
We're gonna take some of our bruschetta product.
A little white wine to that.
Mac and cheese should be coming around. Steamed broccoli, marinara to lay it in. Take our fish, our bruschetta,
Yeah, look at that.
Parmesan cheese.
That's what you find in every diner, right? That's got great texture. The fish is mega tender. You got the fresh tomato with the bruschetta mix. Griddled mac and cheese. I'm a fan of the fact that you guys make everything from scratch, but you keep it simple. Way to go, chef.
All right.
Fantastic.
Thank you. Italian fish, mac and cheese.
It's really juicy, and the mac and cheese.
On the flat top with the crunchy crunch?
Yes.
Come
Yeah.
on now.
Yeah.
Come on now.
Italian sausage.
Classic diner feel, but it tastes more like a home-cooked meal.
Order up.
This is real deal.
Yeah.
Qualified. Here's my stamp of approval. Ready? That's it.
We make people happy every day, and they do it one meal at a time.
BLT.
And we're gonna keep on doing it. Beef on whack.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
And you're still doing it with smiles on your face, and you're still married.
Yeah.